We're in Armadale, about 25 miles from Edinburgh. We installed the hot tub about a month ago. We chose Wellis because we like the design. We also like the heat pump concept of it. And also the showroom isn't very far away, so if there is a problem, I can go and speak to somebody there. They seem to be what we wanted. I like the design of the tub. I like the jets. We went for a slightly bigger model to give us a bit more space inside, and it just seems to be what we want. The heat pump is obviously quite important, and the insulation in terms of keeping the running costs down. It loses so little temperature overnight. It's quite remarkable, really. My biggest fear getting a hot tub was the actual running costs. I haven't found that to be anything to worry about with this, and obviously I have the solar power which helps mitigate that cost anyway. We hope to use the hot tub when family comes to visit in the summer. Well, my wife and I are the only ones who've used it at the moment. Having got it, I want to use it. And it just feels so nice at the end of the day. We've got the recliner and we've got the two other sort of captain's chairs, and I sort of rotate between all three of them. I like the lighting and the music. The sound system is absolutely incredible, but obviously we have to be a bit careful. Don't want to annoy the neighbours too much with that. I'm very satisfied with the hot tub we have bought. I'm glad we bought the one we did. I would recommend the hot tub. It seems to be very well built. It functions as we want it to. Every night since we've had it, I've been in it. It's just nice to sit in there and go over what's happened in the day, relax and just really unwind. It promotes an enormous sense of well-being, I think.